In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop ZArchiver notifications. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are getting a lot of alerts or pop-ups from this app, then fixing this is quite simple. Just follow these steps. To get started, look for settings on your phone, and from settings scroll down to apps. Now under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for ZArchiver, and here it is. Tap on it to open. Then look for permissions section, and under permissions, look for notifications. Here you can see all these notifications are turned on. With this on, you'll always receive those alerts. To turn them off, just toggle off show notifications, and from now henceforth you'll never again receive notifications from ZArchiver. So should you want to enable them again any other time, just toggle this on. So that's how you can achieve this. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.